Laravel folder structure. Hey everyone. Just installed Laravel and wondering what all these folders are? Let me walk you through Laravel's powerful and organized folder structure in simple terms. 1. App. This is where most of your application logic lives. It includes models, controllers, middleware, and providers. Organized by purpose. For example, all your HTTP controllers go in app, HTTP, controllers. 2. Routes. Laravel keeps its routing logic here. Web.php for web routes and API.php for API routes. Super clean and separated based on usage. 3. Resources. This is for your front end. All your Blade templates, views, live here. Also includes raw CSS, JS, and image assets. 4. Config. Contains all the configuration files, for database, mail, caching, etc. Want to change your time zone, app name, or environment config? This is the place. 5. Database. Holds your migrations, seeders, and factories. Migrations define your database tables. Seeders populate them with test data. Factories are great for generating fake records. 6. Public. The only folder directly accessible by users. Contains index.php, which acts as the entry point. You also store public images, compiled assets here. 7. Storage. Laravel uses this to store logs, cache, session data, and file uploads. It's divided into logs, app, and framework. 8. Vendor. Created by Composer. It includes all third-party packages. Do not edit anything here. 9. .env file. This is a hidden but important file. You use it to configure things like database credentials, API keys, and app environment, local, production. Laravel gives us a very clean and structured project layout. Once you understand what each folder does, your development becomes faster, cleaner, and easier to manage. Next up, we'll dive into Laravel routing. But before that, let's see how well you understood this. Which folder in Laravel contains the root definitions? A. App. B. Routes. C. Resources. D. Config. Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to see what you think. Know you know about the Laravel folder structure well. Next up, we'll explore Laravel routing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Until then, happy coding.